Today, we'll show you how to deploy Rebel sensors for precise concrete monitoring with the Wavelogix team. Start by laying the Rebel sensors flat on the ground at the designated placement spots. If desired, nails may be driven through the holes to keep the sensor in place. Be careful not to damage the sensor face or cable. If using rebar, secure the sensors by attaching them right side up to ensure accurate data capture. Ensure that the sensor is stable and will not flip over when concrete is poured. Route the cable out from the form to where the data logger will be connected. If it is in the path of a paving track or other equipment, cut a shallow trench to protect the cable. Register the sensor on the Rebel dashboard. Be sure to fill out the project details before arriving at the job site to make registration quick and easy. Next, connect the data logger to the Rebel sensor. It is critical to plug the data logger in at least 15 minutes before concrete coverage. To connect the sensor, press the connector into the data logger until it snaps into place. Ensure correct orientation by looking for the arrows on the connector head. No twisting of the connector is required. To disconnect, turn the head counterclockwise and pull. Only a quarter turn is necessary. Once connected, the 3 lights on the data logger will indicate its status. Look at the Rebel dashboard to confirm that the sensor is connected to the internet. Find a suitable place for the data logger that is accessible and off the ground. Stakes, traffic cones, and formwork make good locations. Be sure to mark or take note of its position so that the data logger can be retrieved later. Pour concrete directly over the Rebel sensors. The presence of concrete will be detected by the sensor within 15 minutes of coverage. If cylinders are being prepared to compare against the Rebel sensor, make sure they are taken from the same batch of concrete. It is recommended to use a Rebel cylinder sensor kit to accompany the cylinders to the lab so that any difference in curing environment between the in-place sensors and the lab is accounted for. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit us at wavelogix.tech.